Yura, he's smoking.
Oh, I've been everywhere already. Glory to Ukraine. Today I got the chance to get familiar with the American self-propelled air defense system, the Avenger. It's basically a mini air defense base on wheels. It's built on the chassis of an American Humvee off-road vehicle, armed with Stinger missiles and a Browning machine gun of 12.7 millimeters, 0.50 inches, 0.50 caliber. With this setup, our defenders hold up Ukraine's sky, taking out enemy unmanned aerial systems. Today, we're working with the 39th Anti-Aircraft Missile Regiment, and we're about to talk with the Avenger crew, learn a bit about what they do, and show how it actually works. Yura, tell us a bit about your duties on this system. What are you actually doing?
Like any air defense system, it's about controlling the state's airspace. For me, the key is to hit the target. Don't let it get through. I put everything I've got into destroying the aerial enemy. Everyone, all of them.
Motion received, starting, acknowledged.
Yura, he's smoking. He's falling. At least not onto us. What?
Yura, we just had a target. It was a Shahed. And you fired the Browning machine gun. In that situation, what made you decide to shoot the machine gun instead of the missiles?
I saw he was low, close, and coming at me. That made him the easiest target for the gun. You see? When he's coming at you low and close, firing missiles at him right then would be impractical. Support the channel with a like and subscribe. Yeah, it's not new, but it's effective. This little rig loves Shaheds. It really does. As for other air threats, say fast jets or helicopters, right now that's not possible.
The most important thing for a driver is that the vehicle is in proper condition, mechanically sound. But more than that, it's to arrive on time and do your job.
Mobility. You say it's okay in bad conditions, like rain or in fields.
We've driven it everywhere. In snow, across fields, on soggy ground. It performs very well. The main thing is that we can get in.
Four-wheel drive, right?
Yes, it's full-time four-wheel drive, automatic. Automatic transmission with a transfer case and locking system. The wheels can be locked, so it's 4x4 with constant locks.
In the cab, there's this remote control unit. It's designed so that if things get too dangerous, the guys on the vehicle can drive out to the firing point and then quickly return to cover. And using that unit, they can remotely control the weapons onto targets. That way they can engage while staying under cover. What still motivates you to stay here and defend our country?
I believe it's the duty of a city serviceman. You see, I took an oath, and the oath says it all, that we must defend territorial integrity. That's what I'm doing. A Lancet was chasing our guys.
And sometimes, to save the crew, the gunner has to go all in.
Launch. Hit confirm. We're working with the guys here, studying how the Avenger air defense system operates.
This is a US-made vehicle called the Avenger, a short-range surface-to-air missile system. It's armed with a Browning heavy machine gun and can fire up to 8 Stinger missiles. We've got a monitor with a thermal imager. We can operate both day and night. Basically, we see all our targets right there. It's like a video camera. We point it anywhere we want, and the target's in view. When the operator visually identifies a target, he locks the aiming device onto it. If it's a missile launch, the missile tracks the target's heat signature and guides itself right in. All we have to do is press the trigger, and the missile chases it down. After that, we can forget about that target and move to the next one if there's another threat.
Hit confirmed.
Where we were stationed, there weren't many Shahed-s. Those usually go where civilians live. But recon drones, they're in the hot zones, where the real fighting happens. The biggest battles, they're the enemy's eyes. Take them out, and they go blind. For us, that's an easy decision. The Avenger can actually operate while on the move. We can drive and at the same time detect, engage, and destroy aerial targets. That's real, not theory. And by the way, there was this one time a Lancet kamikaze drone was chasing our guys. Officially, it's rated for about 20 miles per hour, around 35 kilometers per hour, while performing combat operations. But that time, we were doing over 90 kilometers per hour, around 55 miles per hour, and they still took that Lancet down. Yeah, it's supposed to operate at 20 miles an hour, but we were pushing 90 kilometers an hour, and the target still got smoked. They say not to go past 90 kilometers per hour, 55 miles per hour, but when you've got a rollout ready to fight, sometimes you just have to floor it. The speedometer needle just buries itself.
After how many missions did you realize, yeah, I've got this, I'm good?
After 2 or 3 launches, I just noticed, how to say it, the jitters were gone. You can calmly do your job, and it just works.
Who's waiting for you back home?
My wife, my mom, my wife, and 2 sons. One of them, yesterday he turned 1 month old. Mark, hey buddy. I evacuated them abroad back in 2022. Came back and joined the army.
So not only do they give you leave, they let you travel abroad too.
Yeah, you can take leave abroad.
Anyone who wants to travel abroad, join the armed forces. The only real tour operator left in Ukraine.
Damn, life goes on. If we stop living now, we won't be living later either.
Right on, we'll keep living. Thanks, brother.